AMD Driver, fix Black Screen, Driver Crash, and forced restart after recent updates. Step 1. Reset AMD GPU tuning. Open AMD Software, Adrenalin Edition. Go to Performance, Tuning. Reset GPU settings to default. Disable any overclock or undervolt. Restart the PC. Step 2. Clean install AMD Driver. Download the correct driver for your AMD GPU. Remove the existing AMD graphics driver using a clean install method. Restart Windows. Install the driver again. Restart the PC and test. A recent AMD help report specifically describes black screens, driver instability, and forced restarts improving after a clean driver-only installation. Step 3. Try a previous driver. If the issue started immediately after a driver update, test a previous stable driver. Remove the current driver first. Install the previous stable version. Restart Windows. Test the affected games again. Step 4. Use driver-only installation. During AMD driver installation, choose the minimal driver-only option when available. Avoid installing optional overlay and recording features while troubleshooting. Restart your PC. Test the system before adding extra AMD features. Step 5. Disable overlays. Disable AMD Overlay. Disable instant replay and recording features. Disable Discord overlay. Disable Steam overlay. Temporarily close MSI Afterburner Riva Tuner. Restart the game. Overlay conflicts can contribute to graphics driver instability. Step 6. Clear shader cache. Close all games. Open Windows Settings, System, Storage, Temporary Files. Remove DirectX shader cache. Restart the PC. Launch the affected game again. Step 7. Repair Windows files. Open Terminal or Command Prompt as administrator. Run desm online, cleanup image, restore health, wait for it to finish. Then run sfc scanow, restart Windows. Step 8. Check GPU temperature and power. Monitor GPU temperature while gaming. Make sure the GPU fans are working normally. Check that GPU power connectors are firmly connected. Make sure the PC has adequate airflow. Keep the GPU at stock settings while testing. Overheating, unstable tuning, and power delivery problems can contribute to AMD graphics instability. Step 9. Update chipset and motherboard drivers. Visit your motherboard or PC manufacturer's support page. Install the latest compatible chipset driver. Check for BIOS updates if your manufacturer recommends one for your system. Restart the PC. Test the AMD GPU again. Step 10. Check whether Windows replaced the driver. Open Device Manager. Expand display adapters. Open your AMD GPU properties. Check the driver tab and compare the installed driver with the version you intended to install. If Windows replaced the driver unexpectedly, perform another clean installation and test again. Final check. Restart the PC. Keep GPU tuning at default. Test several games or GPU workloads. If black screens and forced restarts continue across multiple applications after a clean driver installation, investigate GPU temperatures, PSU stability, PCIe connection, RAM, and other hardware rather than assuming the AMD driver is the only cause.